Right, we are reviewing or just like doing an overview of the Fifine Ampligame stream controller with 15 macro keys streaming deck. And what comes in the box, of course, is the actual stream deck. Connectivity is USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C connection. It also has RGB lighting, customizable program, 15 customizable LCD macro keys, work for gaming, office streaming, etc. Now, what I found with this product, there are some plugins that are missing, such as Streamlabs OBS. Now, if you're using regular OBS, then this should work just fine. But if you're using Streamlabs or a software or a plugin that I use for streaming, you know, my gameplay or streaming on Twitch, just know ahead of time that Streamlabs is not an added plugin as of yet. All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your girl, Miss K. I want to go ahead and show you the software for the Fifine Ampligame D6. It's like a stream deck. As you can see, I have my original Elgato stream deck right here pulled up, and I have the Fifine D6 stream deck pulled up. The interfaces look the same, but there are some things that are missing. I'm gonna get with my representative because I'm really not able to use this right now. I'm gonna let you know why. Where it says Streamlabs on the stream deck, there is a tab for Streamlabs. When I go here, let me just exit out of the Elgato one. But when I pull up the Fifine, I don't see Streamlabs anywhere over here. And if I go here, it will pull up the plugins. Give it a minute to load. And I'm pretty sure they're going to be adding some things in, but Streamlabs OBS should be, because I don't use regular OBS, I use Streamlabs OBS. So I need that in there for me to really test it like I'm supposed to. I'm going to put this video out to let them know. I'm going to talk with my representative as well. I'm really not able to do anything on here except what I have on here, which is the CPU usage, temperatures, stuff like that. I'll monitor that with the D6. But as far as streaming from here, I won't use it. You can put Final Cut Pro, but see, I'm on my Windows PC, so that won't do me any good. But these are some of the plugins. You got Adobe Premiere and some other things. Yeah, you got Adobe Premiere on here. Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, which I don't really use. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Some sort of bot. I don't know what it is. Spotify. They have regular OBS, but I use Streamlabs OBS, so that's really not going to do me any good. Shadowplay does work, because when I installed it, when I actually drug the Shadowplay over here, it would let me record from that and stream from that. That's the only thing that's working for me at this point, but that's not what I want to use to stream. I want to use Streamlabs. Twitch tools, which I do. I haven't put any of them up there, but they seem to work. OBS Studio, which is what I can't use. Virtual camera, IO unmute. Okay. I don't think this is going to replace my stream deck until Fifine adds some more things to this. I'm just being real with y'all. I'm not trying to bash it or anything like that, because it can be a useful tool, but they've got to add some more stuff to it. They're going to have to make it like the Stream Deck, the Elgato Stream Deck, you know, where it says multi-action, Streamlabs, desktop. They're going to have to add that, because I need it so I can add my scenes and stuff, you know. Yeah, I'm going to they're gonna have to add that in here, and that's one thing that's the first thing I noticed that was missing with Streamlabs OBS. And I said I'm not gonna be able to use this because not in the state it's in now. I'll get with my representative and see that's something they're gonna add in the future, and if they do, which I'm pretty sure they will, then it'll be useful to me, and then I'll come back and do a follow-up video. But at this point, I really can't use it unless I just want to monitor stuff. I could probably put some hotkeys on here, like if I want to, just to monitor stuff. That's all I'm going to use it for at this point. It is a nice device. It's very, very well built. You'll see some B-roll in this video, and it's very well built. I like the RGB lights that goes around it. That's pretty cool, and you can control the RGB lights by the button on the back. There's a button on the back of the device. But other than that, as far as the software, it's lacking right now, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna add to it, and when they do, I'll come back and do a follow-up video. But I just wanted to come through, let you guys know that Fifine is they're branching out. We got to help them along. We got to help them to get to perfect, or get to the next level with their products, and I don't mind helping them do so. Anyway, it's your girl Miss K, and I'm out.